Hello everyone, so if you want to change the lock screen wallpaper on your Redmi Note 13, so first of all open up your settings, now you're gonna scroll down and find your wallpaper and personalization tab. Open it up. Here you can choose a lot of different wallpapers, so let's find something. We can use one of the system wallpaper or we can choose some custom ones. For example, let's choose this cat, it looks good. Now simply press apply, press set as a lock screen or set both. I'll use set both. You will be prompted to keep using wallpaper carousel. I don't want to use it, so press turn off wallpaper carousel, and basically that's it. Now if you check our lock screen, we're gonna have this new cute lock screen. I'm sorry for the notifications, however, there it is. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.